Hi children, we are again learning a new set of words. UE words. New activity, new page. Write today's date here. First line is for the instruction. I have written UE words. First word is Q. Q. Children, here QU. Silent, we will not speak. Now, for UE, the sound is U. U. So, wherever you see UE, and eh, these two sounds together, it creates a specific sound U. So, here the word is Q. Q. Q means line. Next word is fuel. Fuel. Children. Fur. UE. Oh, eh. These two vowels are together. It creates specific pronunciation U. Fuel. Fuel. The word is fuel. Next is argue. R, argue, g, and these two vowels, when they are together, it creates the sound U. Argue, argue, argue. The word is argue. The word is argue. Next is barbecue. Children, this is very simple. Just you pay attention. It is very easy to understand. See, we will break the word and we will learn. Bar, bar, we have already learnt in junior KG, if you remember. Ba, ba, bar. Then ba, be, bar, be. And just I taught you that when U and E are together, it creates specific pronunciation, specific sound U. So now again we are trying to read bar, be, Q. Bar, be, Q. Barbecue. The word is barbecue. Next word is rescue. Rescue. R, re, s, k, u. R, re, s, res, k, u, q. Rescue. The word is rescue. R, re, s, k, u. Rescue. The word is rescue. Next word is value. Value. V, L, and this sounds U. Just we learnt, right? V, L, U. But when we will read, we will say value. Value. This is value. Next word is Q. K, U. Q. K, U, Q. When U and E are together, it creates specific sound U. K, U, Q. The word is Q. Next is dew. Next word is dew. D-U. Dew. D-U. Dew. The word is dew. Next is statue. Statue. Now here children, s and t, two consonants are together. We have to remember that it creates a specific pronunciation, st. 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 A. Stay. Stay. Now here t and u, statue, but when we will speak or read, we will say statue. Statue. The next word is continue. This is very easy to learn, children. We will break the word and we will learn. K-O-N, con. T-I-T, n. Con, T, n. Con, T, n. This is you, just we learned, right? So, the word is continue. Continue. This is very easy to learn. Just you have to pay attention. Continue. Continue. The word is continue. The word is continue. Continue. Children, you learn to read, write and speak these words. All the best.